Took the big one
Cambridge,
out.
Massachusetts. Apparently, we have an adult
There ain't no
pumpkin
way, bro.
smasher.
Why?
I mean, I thought this was something that only kids did. This guy looks.
Bro, there ain't no fucking way either. Someone pissed him off so hard he had to take it out on something, bro.
Looks like he's about 60 years old. Hey, buddy, you need to find a better way to handle your anger management.
Right? What are you doing, bro? You're fucking up a
Get
family
lost.
pumpkin.
Long Beach, California. Yeah, check her out. Another grandma porch pirate.
She got my haircut, bro.
She looks like she's about 60 going on 16. She steals somebody's welcome home sign and then she takes off. Birmingham, Alabama. This neighbor wanted to leave a message for all of her other neighbors. Check out what she had to say.
Hey, you guys. So I'm fairly new to the neighborhood,